Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is triangle. And I have no idea what I'm going to do for this one, other than maybe using this stencil thing to put these triangles down as like just a background design, and after that I have no clue. I have no ideas whatsoever. I would like to make the page tie in with tomorrow's prompt, which is vintage. So I might do some sort of a vintage collage here and have it tie in with the next one. That's it, that's all I've got. I haven't a clue what to do, so I'm just going to start doing stuff and see what happens. So this is what we have for triangle, and I have to say I was not feeling creative when I started doing this. I was feeling pretty blue, a bit down, and I had no ideas, and I wasn't feeling creative. I wasn't feeling fully myself or anything like that when I started. So I just kind of started and kept doing little bits of things that I thought felt like fun. So I kind of wanted to see how it would look if I tried using the gesso with the stencil, which didn't work out very well, but it was enjoyable. And I noticed the kitchen roll paper that I was using for painting had this triangular pattern on it. So I said, oh, I'll try putting that down, and you can't really see it here, but I do like the texture that it created. And then I ended up covering over a lot of it with this, but I still really like how it looks underneath it all, that you can kind of see it, and this little pattern I put in with the stencil and the ink. So overall I really enjoyed doing this, and I'm happy with how it turned out. Like, I like the color scheme, even though it's a bit brighter than I normally do, but I really like how it turned out, and I really like that I got to use those lovely envelopes and ephemera pieces from the chapter 1 papers kit again. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.